All right, so now we're going to dig into chapters 4 and 5. I decided to lump them together since they both talk about why discovery for groups. So I'm reading from page 84. It says, in this chapter, we will help you prepare for the tribe approach to the why discovery process. We'll lead you through the specific steps to conduct the workshop. The tribe approach is intended for any group that wants to articulate their common purpose, cause of belief, to put into words what an organization's culture is like when it's operating at its natural best. Even if the organization is not currently performing at that level, we define a tribe as any group of people who come together around a common set of values and beliefs. So you can definitely see the connection to why a school would need to find its why as a group, okay? Now I'm reading from page 84. An organization has a why, and within an organization are teams, subcultures that exist within the larger group. So you see it, the entire staff, PLCs, how we're broken off into groups, right? Each of these parts within the whole will have its own why. So the school will have a why, us as our entire staff. Your PLC will have a why, things like that, okay? We call that a nested why, the purpose, cause, or belief that defines a subgroup within the larger organization. Then within each of these teams are people who also have their individual whys, okay? So we've talked about your individual whys. There's nested whys, which are the subgroups, and then the entire organization as a group has a why. The reason to articulate a nested why is the same reason an organization would want to articulate the big umbrella why, because it gives people a sense of identity and belonging. When people get a sense of identity and belonging, then our reason why becomes stronger, and therefore your work here at Young Junior High becomes stronger. It allows teams and groups to identify with the people they work with every day. It helps them understand their unique contribution as a distinct group to the larger vision. So, what we're going to do today, you've all read this section, at least got a good understanding of it. And what I want you to do is really think about your time here at Young, okay? And your experiences here at Young. And the challenge, the question that I want to give to you is, I would like for you to tell a specific story of a time that you felt most proud to work for Young Junior High. Tell a specific story about a time where you were most proud to work for Young Junior High, okay? So you are going to upload a video of yourself telling that story, okay? And make sure to be pretty detailed. It doesn't have to be long, but be specific so that people can understand, your peers can understand why that moment was so important and what about that moment made you so proud to be a Young Eagle.